If your new cat hasn't eaten yet, don't panic. This is completely normal. Many new owners think something is wrong, but when cats enter a new environment, stress temporarily shuts down their appetite. It's a survival response. In the wild, stressed animals don't eat. They observe first. Some cats won't eat for 12 to 24 hours after moving, especially if the space feels loud. There are other pets or people keep checking on them. Too much attention can increase stress. Here's what to do. Place food near their hiding spot. Leave the room, dim the lights if possible. Don't switch foods immediately. Keep it consistent. Quiet environment equals faster adjustment. Follow for real cat owner guides.